Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Audi Q7 navigation system. First, let's get started with the basics. You can easily input your destination using voice commands or the intuitive MMI controller. The system offers clear, turn-by-turn directions. You can also choose to view your map in either a two-dimensional or three-dimensional perspective, making it easy to visualize your route ahead. Now, let's dive into some advanced features. The Audi Q7 navigation allows you to easily search for points of interest, such as gas stations, restaurants, or parking, directly from your map. You can also customize your route preferences, choosing to avoid highways or select the most scenic path. Saving your favorite destinations ensures quick access for future trips, saving you valuable time. The Audi Q7 navigation system truly shines with Audi Connect integration. This feature allows you to access online services for real-time weather updates, news, and even fuel prices. You can also enjoy the stunning detail of Google Earth satellite imagery directly on your navigation screen. Plus, sending destinations from your smartphone to your car is incredibly convenient. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting tips and other helpful information. If your navigation system ever becomes unresponsive, a simple system reset can often resolve the issue. Always ensure your map data is updated to guarantee the most accurate routing and avoid unexpected detours. Also, for those looking to improve their financial journey, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.